What is up, you guys? So today I'm going to be installing the mudguards on the SI, but before I do that I am going to wash the car because it's super dirty. It's been raining all week here in California, so yeah, I'm gonna wash it really quick and then we'll get to throwing on the mudguards. Alright, so I'm done washing the car, but if you guys own one of these, you know that water drips from here, it goes all the way down. Also from the mirror, it goes all the way down. It's freaking annoying. So my solution to that is using an air gun. So this one's from Chemical Guys. So yeah, you just go around, turn it on. So yeah, I just do that all around the car. Also, you could do the rims. It makes it like super easy to dry them. And just like that, clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna go around the whole car and then give it a detail, use a detail spray, and then we'll get to throwing on the mudguards. Alright guys, so I have my mudguards right here. Let's see. This one right here is for the front. Yeah. Front. This one right here is rear right. So this side. All right. So all you're gonna have to do, I don't know if you can see, well, 2 Phillips head screws right here, and then there's one on the bottom. But I'm only gonna be using the top one because the rear does come with let me see if I can find it. Comes with these extra screws and like a what is it called, like a clip that you have to put down here, and then you have to make another hole here. It doesn't like line up with this one for some reason, I don't know why, but I'm only going to be using the top one and the bottom one because I don't want to drill into this bumper, just in case I want to take them off. But yeah, I'm just gonna be using the top one and the bottom one. So yeah, well, I'll get it on and show you guys how it looks. just like that, it's on. Just the top screw and the bottom screw. No need to drill this hole out if you don't want to. You can if you want, it's up to you. I just don't want to drill into this bumper. So yeah, this is how it looks. Sheesh, looks pretty good. All right, now we'll get to the other side and I'll show you guys that side too. All right, so same thing on this side. We're just gonna take the top screw off, bottom screw, and then put the mudguard on. Alright, so got the left side on. That's how it looks. Looks pretty good. So yeah, now we'll get to the front. We are gonna have to turn the wheels though, because we are gonna be using all 3 screws for the front. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing the left side over here, so we're just gonna turn the wheel that way. Just like that. That's it. So now we have enough room to install the mudguard. So for this top piece right here, there's like a cover on there, and on the website it says to use like a push pin to make a hole, and that's where the top bolt goes. And then it's just gonna be these 2 bottom Phillips heads right here, and just put it on like that. All right, so I just found this pin with like a pointy tip on it, and right here I'm just gonna push it in just like that. Now you have your little hole to start putting the bolt in. All right, so the front does come with the 2 extra screws. It's gonna be for the top. So for this one right here that we just made the hole in, so this top one that they gave you goes in here. It's just gonna screw in there, and then we just take off this bottom one right here, and then this other side right here. Just like that. Super easy, guys. Looks pretty good. So we're gonna get this side on, the passenger side. Just gonna make the hole right here. Bam. Just like that. And then take those 2 Phillips heads off. Let me get my screwdriver. On this side you can use a long screwdriver, but on the back you have to use like a stubby screwdriver because it doesn't really fit because the tire's in the way. Or you can just take off the whole tire entirely. It's up to you. But yeah, this side, super easy. Hope you guys can see. It's kind of bad lighting over here. But yeah, bam. And I'm gonna just start all the screws. That way it's nice and lined up. Starting with the top one first. Alright, now I started all of them. Just gonna tighten them up and we're done. Super easy. It's probably like a 30-minute job. So yeah, highly recommend putting these on. They look super good. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks after I finish this one. I'll give you guys a walk around of the car. There we go, that side's good to go. That's how it looks. The rear looks pretty good. So now, when it rains, not gonna get like any splash over here, or like if you're driving in the dirt, you're not gonna scratch your paint. But I don't know if you guys can see, it looks like my paint's already scratched because, yeah, rock chips and all that stuff if you don't have these on, because the tires do stick out past the bumper in the back and the front. So yeah, if you have these, it'll protect your paint a little bit better. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the mudguards. Do they look good? Do they not? I think they look pretty good, to be honest. So yeah, that's how they look. Pretty nice.